Whisper Sounds.
I'm busy, yeah, I'm finished, yeah. Head focused, yeah, on a million. Got a vision, yeah,
don't get it. You see me, you work, I'm into it. I'm not with nobody else right now. Research, you need it. You don't deserve closure right now. You beeping my socials, you got it. Don't worry, I'm leaving and searching for someone who loves me back. And I'm noticing the way you try to play down, talking to me crazy, had me looking for a way out. Gave you all I had and you left in a fast. Now you wanna come back, I ain't slowing down. You're dealing with the fact that you're gonna leave 20 missed calls when I wake up in the morning. It feels like you never could control me. Phony, you never really know me. You see me, you want me, I don't want nobody now. You see me in action, you wanna stop problems now. You see me, you want me, I don't want to follow up. You see me in action, you wanna stop
Put my middle finger up in the air right now. I can never stress about you, no. I don't need nobody in my ear right now. I don't even think I needed it before. I've been doing this all on my own right now. Why you coming back blowing up my phone? And I'm in album mode right now, so I had to just let the ringer go. It's 2 in the morning, 6 days it stayed on in London. Think about it, dog, got my head nodding. And I've tried, but I can't even dodge you. And I don't really care how it's going. No, I don't really care what you're doing. No, I don't really care what you go through. Why you wanna come through? You should go back to sleep. I don't wanna call. Every time we talk about it, you gon' say I'm wrong. Every time I try, it's like I'm talking to a wall. If you wanna write it back, I better get you all, but I'm too busy. I got to get on the road. Yeah, you attracted, too much baggage. You don't wanna manage, you just keep crashing. Now we gon' add it. You made it a habit. I don't wanna have it. You see me, you want me, I don't want nobody now. You see me in action, you wanna stop problems now. You see me, you want me, I don't want to follow up. You see me in action, you wanna stop problems now.
you're not gonna let matter no yeah. Sex how it is, swallowed by all of your bitch and saying you hate me, you hate me, you hate me, and then you gon' text me again and again and tell all your friends that I just want your bitch ass. But we know your ass a lie. Thought I wouldn't notice, cause my dumb ass be too high. Little did you know this straight to open my third eye. Flip the situation on your sorry ass tonight, cause you sitting in the crib again, just trying to get through to me. Purposely ignored your call and turned on my receipt. Any social, any local, hold up, yo, I want young pie. Figure the best time to leave your ass is probably right now. I imagine your reaction and it did has got me laughing. It make you feel better, you really sexy when you spazzing. And I don't own my hoes, you want more or less the flagship. I guess I'm out of business, shoot up, bird to my Titanic. Volcano to my Pompeii, video to my dinosaur. Oh my god, it's over, what the fuck are you still calling for? What you mean you outside? What you mean you came in when you saw the Chinese food guy? Why you still my fried rice? I knew your ass was petty. You calling me a jerk and I just wonder who gon' check me. You could have my who, my homies, go for it. I'm the only thought saver, they do not support it. Your mission been aborted, okay, you getting boring. Yeah, I called you boring, thought you wasn't cause you foreign. You not that important, who else is you fucking and what do they got you snorting? Who, that group, how that mixtape going for 'em? But for my fellow pimps though, don't lose nothing special over any of these side hoes. This is my soliloquy, I'm breaking up with all y'all. I got me an OG, name is Benjamin Franklin. Baby, you should Google him, cause that was on my shoulder. Said he wanna have a talk with me, said he wanna walk with me. I know that he been stalking me, must've saw me posted on the corner, wasn't supposed to be. I felt my fire energy, only right he noticed me, Tim. I'm mostly focused B, but sometimes I'm just coasting G. Bunch of hoes with hoping, doping, all they want is dope from me. And whatever else is supporting me, hoping like I ought to be. Any given second, you might have to take a road from me. Come from me, I'm a night from me. These motherfuckers really want a wife from me, man. I think they really want a life from me. They fortune cookies, God, I see. Trying to get to you, babe, damn.
I'm moving with ease, took time, not a wait increase. I can't be naive, what's for me gon' come, I believe. It ain't no revenge that I need, they hurt when they see me succeed. Don't rush, I ain't tripping, I'm cool where I'm at. Took time, had to learn how to move with a back. They burning out quick, they was losing it fast. Was building my name, I'ma cruise, never crash. Told them my patience gon' double the check. They was moving up high, now they drowning in debt. I was low, had to grind, had to watch every step. Now the talking ain't loud when the numbers reflect. One that told me to move light and no forcing. Seen them set place and it work, no distorting. Why would I rush it? The journey is gorgeous. Now the vibes up, then we got motion. I'm about it, then keep it composure. You begging and crying for closure. Back then you was never supportive. Of course it. I'm moving with ease. Took time, not a wait increase. I can't be naive. What's for me gon' come, I believe. It ain't no revenge that I need. They hurt when they see me succeed. Ain't no rush, ain't no rush, ain't no rush, yeah.
I went got the bag and I'm feeling racks. They tried to run on me, I got it on track. Wanna start playing, go look at the stacks. They kick in the cabin, I'm telling you facts. Frank on there, I came with the spill. I really could chill and let him relax. Got a new crib and clean out the racks. Got the vintage and got rid of the rest. I got a couple, you won't need a vest. I triple double, you know I'm a threat. Too many cash, I can count it to dance. I'm the boss, I can cut you a check. Cut them out, go and get it for less. Hit the gym, I was working on chest. Take your time, baby, I like it best. I just shower, I like it fresh.
I'm moving with ease, took time, not a wait increase. I can't be naive, what's for me gon' come, I believe. It ain't no revenge that I need, they hurt when they see me succeed. Ain't no rush, ain't no rush, ain't no rush, yeah. Woke up, ain't got no weapon, prosper. In my own lane, no dark thoughts. I'll do my own thing, I don't need y'all.
We gon' walk on that nigga, truck up, burn, nigga.
beat him to his face, though. Yeah, that little boy a call. Don't tell him shit, cause he might say something. Yeah, start with hoes, this man, we gon' face him. Yeah, I get hella street, little bitch, up now I can't go bankroll. Yeah, and I got your nigga that do that job if I just say so. Yeah, music be my job, I sit at home and watch the income.
need a stylist. Dressing on my own. I be mixing fits. Like I'm walking at a show. Ain't no free rides. Had to get it all alone. If you ain't talking about nothing, it ain't gon' work, move along. I ain't got time for no lazy ass talk. Shit the store down and I move like a boss. Came up to, had to learn how to walk. Set the bar high and I know you can't cross. Got the game shook up. Yeah, I'm a diamond that came out the rough. It came to me easy, I know it's not luck. Circle the small, just the ones that I trust. That's what my life is. My life is crazy, my life's amazing. I'm living love, my life is. My life is changing, I'm elevating. I'm always the time, my life is. My life is crazy, my life's amazing. I'm living love, my life is. My life is crazy, my life is. I like to get money, my baby like to throw it. I snap and move mountains and everybody know it. I can't try to you because the way you pillow talking. I know all my dogs are all proud of me, that's proud of all my. I ain't got time for no lazy ass talk. Shit start down and I move like a boss. Came up to, had to learn how to walk. Set the bar high and I know you can't cross. Got the game shook up. Yeah, I'm a diamond that came out the rough. I came in easy, I know it's not luck. Circle the small, just the ones that I trust. My life is crazy, my life's amazing. I'm living love, my life is. My life is changing, I'm elevating. I'm wasting time, my life is. My life is crazy, my life's amazing. I'm living love, my life is.
Preaching to a deaf audience, the argument still. Niggas want the last line like the sentence ain't jail. You must be caught up in the weed smoke. Smoke so loud they probably thought the sour D spoke. How the sour D know my shit be detrimental when I hop on instrumentals. Killing every record, recognize it by its denims. Clearly influential to these bitches, they go mental. Wanna be all argumental when I rap off my credentials. Is it cause my whips ain't rentals? Cause I'm nicer with a pencil? Cause I'm bumping Gucci through your fucking residential? Always had my heart up, but I had to get my guard up just so I could get my squad up in the penthouse from the top up. Comparing me to Carter's cause I'm wiser, cause my metaphors, cause I pop the blues like out these IVs making my arms sore. You ain't gotta question shit, I meant to offend you. Never gave a fuck, ain't gonna pretend to. Not too dependent relation, the niggas be ever so distant. I don't recommend you be all in my business. I'm all on my bullshit, this bullshit of business. I'm busy defending, protecting, and serving like I'm in militia. Preaching to a deaf audience, the argument step. Niggas want the last line like the sentence ain't jail. You must be caught up in the weed smoke. Smoke so loud they probably thought the sour D spoke. How the sour D know?
Nothing, mine gon' stay. I don't force doors, I just float my way. Waves don't talk, but they still hold weight. I move light, but the shit feel great. They don't see work, You see the glow. I'm staying calm, but still I know time gon' tell, so let it show. And if it's real, then I won't let go. White waters run deep, I'm that low-key time. Moving silent, steady, never switching sides. They glance at the shine, but don't see the climb. I plant my seeds, watch them grow in time. Quiet all that loud, they don't speak my language. Middle class girl, but I manage my damage. No trauma tales, just clean energy. I float in the background, but on the scenery. No being said it soft, but you felt the power. I channel that vibe every single hour. I'm bitten silence, a storm in the calm. Then I step on the scene, I bring the bomb. I don't rush nothing, mine gon' stay. I don't force doors, I just float my way. Waves don't talk, but they still hold weight. I move light, but the shit feel great. They don't see work, just see the glow. I'm staying calm, but still I know time gon' tell, so let it show. And if it's real, then I won't let go. And if it's real, then I won't let go. And if it's real, then I won't let go. And if it's real, then I won't let go. And if it's real, then I won't let go. I don't rush nothing, mine gon' stay. I don't force doors, I just float my way. Waves don't talk, but they still hold weight. I move light, but the shit feel great. They don't see work, just see the glow. I'm staying calm, but still I know time gon' tell, so let it show. And if it's real, then I won't let go.
This is another DJ Tato Montana exclusive, nigga.
Bled up, I be really with troops. We really didn't make a move. My pocket bled up, I be really with troops. We really didn't make a move. Bled up, I be really with troops. We really didn't make a move. My pockets been fat like they ate some food. Having bread and cheese like Jamaican food. But the blitz to his face, now he tastes it too. I don't fuck with these niggas, I'ma face this bull. If he try to speed up, I'ma flame his cool. I'm a cool ass nigga, but it's a shame I'm rude. Split up, by that mini mark, I'm sticked up. Put your guns down, nigga, put your fist up. I'm mixing the bowl, now I'm lifting my wrist up. You whole nuts on me, I'm picking your bitch up. I'm still in the bank, dating like it's a stick. She throwing my dick, made a thick bitch hiccup. Put the mask down when I'm gon' hit this lick. She kicked your broke ass out, now you picking your shit up. In the back of the V, now I'm keeping the blitz up. Free all them niggas, no threat of the life. Still trying to erase my face on the crime. But I had us already when a nigga arrived. When that nigga come around, he be hiding his wife. She be gripping my dick like she holding the mic. It's mud in the Sprite, so I spike the price. And I'm blowing on out, tryna fight the high. We on the back block, tryna plot on the crime. Thick ass bitch tryna waste my time. You can't even come hit my block, you can't get this high. That way hit his block, hit the gas, bust the fire. We can't tell block, you ain't come outside. You ain't buy that shit, you ain't buy that life. You ain't buy that life, little nigga. Damn. I can't even take this shit. I wake up, I can't even fake this shit. Put a hole in your eye when I aim this shit. Got a big ass try to get dangerous. You ain't smoking those out, you just naming shit. I'm just aiming blicks, I'm just painting shit. In the lane I'm in, and I'm merging in with these dope, cause I put purple in it. Bled up, I be really with troops. We really didn't make a move. My pockets been fat like they ate some food. Having bread and cheese like Jamaican food. But the blade to his face, now he's nice too. I don't fuck with niggas, I'ma face this bull. If he try to speed up, I'm lame as cool. I'm a cool ass nigga, but it's a shame I'm rude.
fucking chicken.
The fuck are you doing, cuz?
Fuck you, nigga.
Fucking flash mobber.
You wanna go outside and see me?
Find me in the islands, I'm still on my business. Saw you by yourself, know I had to go get you. I hopped out the black cat, get ready, few with it. Promised to be by my side, it wasn't me. You said you had me lost in the jungle, but now I'm driving the boat. I'm headed back to the east, you headed back to the coast. I survived